In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you do a mail merge with Excel on Microsoft Word. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the tutorial. It's very simple. You hop on your Word like this and you move to this tab here, Mailings. Move to your Mailings tab. Start a mail merge, tap on that and let's choose a letter. Good. And now all we are going to do is we select our recipient. So mail merge is going to allow us to send the same message to a lot of recipients. Yeah. So we do this, select recipient, and just like I said, we have an Excel. We are going to use Excel. So we use an existing list, and I have my Excel file saved and my downloads. I just created it. You can see for YouTube video. Good. Okay, and that's it. So this is the Excel file. I think I'll have to show you guys the Excel file. So there's the data, there's the first name. I'm going to do that for you guys to see in the tutorial. Now let's move back to Word, something I wanted to show you guys. Good. So now let's try to customize our letter. Good. So here we add an address block here. So you can see address block. Let's choose this and let's choose it. Okay, so it's going to appear this way. You see the first name on the Excel file I added is Michael, and the second is Rose, their company, their location, their country. This is how our address block is going to look like. Now let's save it. Good. Now let's put our cursor here too, and now let's add a greeting line. Dear Sir, Madam. So let's make it dear. And then the name we are going to use Mr. Randall, this, and then let's try to add a comma after that. So dear Sir or Madam. Good. So let's make it like this. So it's going to be dear Mr. Hockey, dear Mr. this, dear Mr. that. That's the person's first name, right? Good. So okay to do that. So you can see this is the person's last name that we are using. So we move to the next entry and we are going to get a different name. We move to the next entry, we are going to get a different name. That's it. So you tap on the preview to preview it to see whatever is going on. Right, and you see this is Vivian, and you see Miss, the last name. You can change it to the first name by coming to the greeting line once again. Good. It's the first one. Let's preview it and you can see there Raphael, Vivian, the first name, because mostly it's the person's first name, and our comma should come after that. Yeah, simple. That's how you do mail merge with Excel. So the only special thing is you're just inserting it. The file, use an existing file, go to you just set up the Excel file. It's up to you. I created a fake file that we used. That's it. Yeah, have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I think I've covered everything. So when you're done, I assume you know how to use Excel. So when you're done, you just come here, finish and merge. You can print it. Let's print it. Oh yeah, so we are going to have, the entries are plenty. Let's not do that. It's a lot, but then we can choose to send it straight away. So if you've linked your Outlook to your Word straight away, you tap on send and you're good to go. Yeah, add a subject line and then you do it to them. So that's it on how you do mail merge with Excel. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Have any question, let me know in the comment section. You need any help too, you can contact us. You can see our email on YouTube page. You can contact us too. That's it. Peace.